What's up, guys? I'm back again, and it hasn't been that long. I know you guys seen Violet Night, so I just had to draw it, man. I just had to draw it. So I did a character design of the Santa Claus character, which David Harbour, he plays Santa Claus, and he goes and he delivers the presents, and then he finds out that someone's robbing this place because some guy was getting ready to shoot his head off or kill him or whatever, and and then once that happened, he starts beating up everybody. So, and using the magic that he has to aid his efforts to save the people and help the little girl have a very nice Christmas. So I was like, man, I gotta draw that. So I am gonna sketch this thing out as a character design, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I didn't finish all the color, so I just did one of the designs as a colored version or whatever, because I just kind of want to get a taste of what it might look like or whatever, with colors. So enjoy. It was fun drawing it. I may, do some different poses later on or whatever. Sorry about that. And so I'm going to continue pumping these things out. They're just going to be sketches. You'll see the step-by-step process that I do every time I come out with a video. So, hey, thanks for my subscribers. Please subscribe. Also leave a like, comment as well, So, so thanks. Enjoy. Peace.